to work up the work through the vertical. Other things that are difficult to do, as Brenda mentioned, we are in the midst of a small capital raise. That's a diversion of energy. Ideally, I would be focused every day on every amount of every aspect of executing the plan. The plan's important. It's important to make sure you don't screw it up. You can screw it up anywhere along the line here. Lastly, I'll give you a little commercial for our products. We have brochures out front talking about our products. There's a discount code on the back of there allowing you to subsequently purchase our products with a 20% discount. And some of the proceeds that come to us are going back to Brenda and her team to support events like this, which I think is just really commendable. And lastly, I'll mention that if anyone is interested in learning more about our enterprise and our operations, you can speak to myself or my strategic advisor, Chris Wheeling there, who's, as I said, we are doing a small capital raise. Nothing that's gonna, set the earth on fire, but I'd rather be modest and succeed than grandiose and fail. And as David said in his comments before, there's a lot of, the markets are gonna change. This is gonna become a $20 billion industry in no time fast. There's gonna be a tsunami of competition. You got CVS, you got Coca-Cola, you have really big money. When the pharma companies want to throw their money at something, they could easily do $50 billion towards this, that, or the other thing. Collectively. So the point is that we're not so naive to understand that this environment is going to change dramatically. So that's why it's really important just to sort of plant your flag in the ground, make sure you don't get washed away with the tsunami and such. So I thank you for your time. Just remember, when the price of pot is down to $50 an ounce, hemp is probably where you need it to be to begin with.